Topics and sentiment. Let's start with creating a codebook and detecting topics and sentiment. Before we start, please turn on your sound. On the left, you see responses imported to Caplena. On the right, either import an existing topic collection or let the AI generate one from scratch. Let's generate one from scratch. The AI automatically creates themes and topics based on your data. Granularity can be steered by additionally showing rare topics. Topic detection can also be guided with custom prompts. In our case, let's retrieve all mentioning brand names. When you are happy with your themes and topics, hit Done. The AI will then automatically assign the relevant topics to all rows, including the sentiment for each topic. Here we go. Within minutes, Caplena automatically assigned topics and their sentiments to all your data. Caplena shows the AI quality score to measure coding quality. It shows how confident the AI is in the results. Two human coders usually score in the 70s to 80s, the same level our AI delivers out of the box. Optionally, you can still fine-tune the topic assignment by adjusting some of the auto-generated topic descriptions or reviewing a handful of rows for quality assurance. Then trigger an AI update. Reports. Create and share interactive reports with segments, NPS trends, driver analysis, and many more insight elements. With reports, uncover and share the story hidden in your data. Each report is built on insight elements. Choose from a wide variety, ranging from simple metrics like NPS or CSAT, visualizations of numerical or categorical variables, to powerful deep dives like driver analyses. Every insight element lets you explore further, right down to the verbatim level. To zoom in on a specific area, you can compare segments, apply filters, or focus on specific timeframes. Now, let's have a look behind the scenes of a report. As an editor, this is where you build your report. Add sections and decide which insight elements to display. Set the default filters or create new segments for viewers to explore. Once it's ready, share the report with your team or external stakeholders. Unlimited view-only users are included. Insight Chat. Let's see how you chat with the AI for quick, precise answers about your project. Access the Insight Chat feature through your project sidebar or directly from within a report. Let's open the chat interface from within a report. The Insight Chat answers questions about your project, combining both quantitative and qualitative insights across all variables. We'll start with a simple question. What are the most mentioned topics? In an instant, the AI gives you an overview, complete with charts, and a summary for your question. Let's now ask a more complicated question. How does satisfaction correlate with brand names? And again, you quickly get an insights deep dive. Best of all, Insight Chat is not limited to team users, but also available to view-only users. Smart Columns. Extract and enrich your data with smart columns. No manual data mingling, no spreadsheets, and no data scientists needed. Valuable insights start with rich data. That's why we built a powerful data enhancement feature. Think Excel at scale, supercharged by LLMs. Let's look at two specific examples. First, imagine you want to match existing entries with a new set of values. Here we'll create a new column of US state codes, mapped from a column with state names. We preview the output, and once we're happy, the new column is ready to use. The best part? It updates automatically whenever you upload new data or change the source column values. Second, say you want to uncover which products customers mention in their feedback. By applying a simple prompt, The LLM identifies brand names in each response and instantly adds them as a new column. The new column can now be used in the reporting or chat functionality to slice and dice your data. Alerts. Set alerts for specific topics or get notified about general trends and sentiment shifts. Let's set up an alert. Choose between a topics trend alert to track shifts in sentiment, mentions, or frequency, or a new topics alert to catch emerging themes early. Let's create a trend alert. We'll start by creating a trend alert, which notifies us about frequency or sentiment changes. Next, choose the column you want to track. Then, decide whether we want automatic digests, specific changes, or occurrence alerts. Let's keep it simple with a weekly digest and set the significance threshold to 95%. The preview shows an example of the kind of change that will trigger this alert. Once you're happy, hit Create New Alert.